Hey everybody, Makeupbyjalesse here. I'm not going to even keep talking. We're going to just get into how this V part looks like a weave. Bomb. Okay, so let's just get into it. So again, I'm collaborating with uNice Hair. They sent me over their V part in 24 inches, and the curl pattern is Jerry in natural black. So this is just what's in the packaging, you guys. This unit is literally a throw on and go. It took me 10 minutes, or it could be less, because of the detangling of the curls and getting those curls very juicy and luscious. So yeah, 10 minutes top. So this is the unit. This is her, and she does this thing. I just like to do that. I just like to crack a little jokey joke. So as you can see, the wig comes with 4 clip-ins in the front, combs on the side and in the back, and an adjustable straps. So I will say that it did fit a bit snug, but okay, I'm gonna get into the cap size a little bit later. I just want you guys to check out the curl pattern, see how beautiful it is. It's definitely giving natural curls, and I am so here for it. So this is my foundation. It's very jacked up. It's very janky because I have on nails and I cannot braid worth the lick when I have nails on, but I'm telling you, this will do. And I only put the 2 braids just to make sure the clips, stay on my head and it's not sliding, all down, because sometimes when I don't have the braids, they do that. So all you have to do is just clip those clip ends in, you guys, to the desired style that you want. And I'm telling you, bomb, like bomb, you guys. I could not believe that this was a V part. It looked like a wig, and I've been wearing this wig for a couple days now. Everybody's like, "Oh, I thought it was a weave. I thought it was. I didn't even know it was a wig. Wig, it's a wig, but it's mine. Okay, it's my hair because it's giving natural hair. Okay." But anyway, so I'm just going in and I'm just attaching the clip ends in, so it's going to create that V part. Now you can leave out, right? But for me, in the way I like to do things, in my preference, I don't like to leave just no hair out, because I just don't like when I'm getting up on people hovering over my head trying to I don't like that. That's just me personally. You can do it that way because it's created that way, but I'm gonna leave some leave out, okay? Because we not having nobody staring at your head, okay? And I just get self-conscious when I'm like, that's just me. But you can leave no leave out. You can do no leave out, or you can do a thin leave out. So what you see here is I did semi thin leave out. You can actually leave thinner than this, but you know what? This is just me. This is how I'm gonna do it. So again, all I'm telling you guys, clip this hair in, wet it, put some whatever your curly products that you use for curly hair, and you literally can go. I left some of the sides out because I kind of wanted to do like my baby hair and tuck it behind the ear like I always do. So I just wanted to make sure, it looks as natural as possible. That's optional as well. So I'm just using my Pillow Soft curls just to define these curls and make them juicy, like I said. You can use any curly hair product. What else do I want to say? And I'm just detangling the hair, as you guys can see, because I want to have super defined curls. And I want my curls hard. I don't like hard curls. So this product doesn't give hard curls, but it definitely does not tame it. So I'm just letting you guys know, if you want something that tames it, this hair is big. It's going to be big. Big hair, don't care if you're that type of person, to go ahead and get it. You want something to kind of stick to your head. This is really not the wig, but it's giving natural. It's giving big, it's giving fluff, it's giving Tia and Tamara. Like we like, it's giving it all, okay? And I'm here for it. And I know I keep saying I'm here for it because I'm really here for this unit. I feel like this is the best unit I've ever reviewed so far. Seriously. Because it only takes 10 minutes, no hassle, no stress. The perfect unit. So again, I'm just brushing the hair out. The shedding was at a minimum, barely even shed it. And I was so surprised because curly hair sheds. It was just a few strands, you guys. Even though I'm going through it with my hands and fingers, barely any shedding. So I'm just going to show you how I blend my natural hair. My natural hair is of a curly texture. So I didn't really have a problem, but because of heat damage and all that type of stuff, my hair is super straight in the front because, you know, when you leave your little weave out, you know, I always seem to want to do a middle part. So the only problem I had was my hair is straight. It's not giving the curly texture it normally gives. So I had a little minor problem. If I didn't have heat damage and all that type of stuff, it would have worked. But I'm going to show you a trick that worked for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and just show you. So I just did the little finger curl coil with them. And then I took just little strands just to blend my hair in. And it was perfect. It was perfect, you guys. It was the perfect blend. Like, are you kidding me? This is my hair. I'm Chili from TLC. Like, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. So I'm just showing you guys both sides. Again, this is very quick. A very quick snatch tutorial. Y'all, if you don't want to wear no more wigs, no more weaves, clip-ins, tape-ins, what else is there out there? I don't know. This is the wig for you. You don't want to spend hours on a wig because you can't even lay them wigs down. Like, this is it for you. I'm telling you guys, do not pass this one by. Okay. So I'm going in and just defining the curls, just giving you a little more, just, you know, pattern to it with my products. And I just wanted to show you guys this process because these curls, when you see them, beautiful. They are beautiful. Okay. Oh, my voice. I cannot stand my voice right now. It's so groggy with this weather changing up and down. So ignore my voice, y'all. If you want to put me on mute, I am totally fine with that. But my voice is irritating me at this point. I'm just combing it out just so I can make sure I'm getting every part of the hair because I always miss certain parts. But again, just coiling my hair to blend in, and that was it, you guys. That was it. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous, baby. She is gorgeous. I'm so in love with the curl pattern. I'm so in love with the texture, the length. Like, I am just in awe. So I'm just going to do my little baby hairs real quick to make it look more natural. And like I said, I've been wearing this for a couple of days already, and I've gotten so many compliments on my hair. Like I said, a lot of people think it's a weave, or a lot of people like, is that your hair? Is that your hair? It's so pretty. So that's like your real hair, girl. And no, girl, it's a V part. It's a V part. uNice. Get it. Use my code. All this stuff will be in the description box below so you can get this unit. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. She is beautiful. She is beautiful, and I'm so in love with it. This is after I let her dry for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. Beautiful hair blends. So really quick before the video ends, I wanted to make an announcement. So if you download the uNice app, you guys, you're able to win free wigs and various prizes. Come on now, you guys. Come on. Free wigs and prizes, like their prizes and wigs are amazing. You are not missing out. So go ahead and download the uNice app so you can get you some free wigs and some prizes. We love free gifts, okay? But anyways, this is the unit again. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, she's giving her music. She's giving Tia and Tamara. She's giving curls, okay? Curls are coming through. No, but thank you guys for watching. Again, I will put all the information in the description box, including the app to download and all that good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Bye.